Friday, I'm saying also come home because my spirit is different. Every day I don't want to so week this way to adrenaline are going to be good morning because you have life. Obi and yan it is a one name one morning then so I your do 4 near do 4 day. So you more don't so young or don't be a problem. Shani never won't here. A man so cheap a brain and a bad day. A won't here. Me and Chrodo. So do chirobia and found some food who ye janobia, fancy go home. Nama spirit no, I know any day. Media fear. I'm on quite tamaklu. Happy Father's Day. Cop Mamunina, Nemi Jinem. I'm my sister Sandy B. Or ye guy. I do mano. Sad na to us on tea. Ye better us so. Enti young Kosho Futu or yes of penning. Eastwood Anaba, Ediama Menina. Obia ya won what it's and when yine. Ebenya bia bear 25 years, 30 years. Medofo, no na waiting as a son. Se mi suba no ho a. Ti so wo kobu relationship bi mu. Na hu se nipa we se ni se wo hu red flags bi nim ni ade. Menye wadwen se wo ne champion no. Na aba be sesa no. Hu niema bi a wo mpe e wo ho atwo ho boko. Me nkowura mu ansa. Because wo wura mu a wo pia, nya bete wo mpie wakam. Ti mo ani enda ho yenkotie so fopani Eastwood Anaba futuo yi a let me tell you
this, people, especially you, those women under the sound of my voice. One thing you should never see in a man and ignore and go and still marry him is a man who is quick-tempered or has a bad temper. Solve that problem before you marry. Number 2, a man who is a womanizer and cheats on you even before the marriage. Please make sure you deal with it before you marry. Number 3, a man who is stingy, Armstrong, quickly hand. Since your relationship, he has never given you a handkerchief. And he said one day when we marry, one day when you marry, he will bury you. He is marrying you to bury you. 3 things: quick-tempered man, stingy man, and what is the other one? Fornicator. Even in relationship, he's seeing another woman. You know, when you are in relationship, apart from your girlfriend, you don't see anybody else. Hey, she's everything. She's everything.
Nti we no so ti ase. Pepe ni ze chi dine. Odi ana ko paje, mwani na ho. Go we hu ne na sa na ote e odi bewuram. Nti menyo ho ehwa ho fe ne nko a. Ti yenye steady afutu osofo pani de e mamma nyina so eno no. Na Mr. Drew na e ka say. Hi, last year Telecel Music Awards. Aha. O chesenka esanka ono na win sa category na no ne kidi wo no. Na minim de nti afe ne wa ba ba be cheche mu de nti ohunu ne se ono na na nke wo so win no. Enkotie Mr. Drew sama okay.
Last year, as you the sport there for stage talk, because people were talking about your performance, it was one of the highlights of the night. Yeah. Big highlights of the night. You can't talk about performance and forget about Mr. Drew. But you lost out to Collaboration of the Year award to Kiddy at the TGMA. And you know, we all saw the series of events that happened after that. I mean, do you think you were cheated?
Do I think I was cheated? I felt like I had to win.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't. As of whether I was cheated yet.
No. But you felt like you had to win.
Yeah, I felt like the song had to win.
Because
Charlie, we did perform the numbers.
The numbers.
Yeah, and then we did perform the tune for everywhere, every corner. People they sing the song. You get it? Yeah. So, Charlie.
Has that affected your relationship with Kiddy in any way, shape, and form?
I don't think so, no. We always meet, we just talk. Yeah, me and Kiddy be cool. Yeah.
Sure.
We never took it personal at any point in time. And if you look at our banters and stuff on, I wouldn't say banters.
Do you believe
we just throw, it's just funny. And me, I like trolling too. And he likes trolling too.
Kiddy, the professional.
Yeah.
We go pull up some old documents come. He said, huh?
Yeah, he like trolling. I mean, I like it like that. But he's my brother. We're cool.
He's not grown it here. Nyabufu. Sanet here. Inti Mr. Drew na Babichi. On the no who pass and collabo the other nanke and idea. Then so ye de Emma Kiddy. And what you know? Bia ye boko ntokweni mema ntokwasa o ka chana de onso ache waje bank by now yesi hu nkunya nyina ti man mu miesesa ya adwe ne enyima nso mfiri ho na yenkọ alata ya ho yekọ Nigeria tu baba ai two face ndibia say unze na nse ne ho na musa social no koswa so odi a chenchwe wo so ni one ne yire ani so mu agya so mu nya ye hunhunu ya semu ni yenka nwe ye kura se wasa nyimo ne girlfriend bi kura o mo expect baby baba just one na ho ofe no o wo sempo anu anwa ti yesi another one kura so ba yenko hwebra ti no ko social no so o mu so as o mu confuse system no kura ni say china say so o jayo so nyayo o propose for na we mu kura ne maami aba be patch ni new girlfriend o sre no onya na boy no so be over concentrate wo old wife no so o maami aba be patch because dey ko na no odin two face you hu no na yesusu but the same thing dey otia no tinti no hu so anyina onti wo be wie no obie jan me man ko 70 kura obewo obi anya 70 afena be anya 2 years daddy enti two face ne maami patch girlfriend no so anka be ya jemu now concentrated the wo dada no so yenti.
Good evening, Nigerians. My name is Mrs. Rose Idibia. This message is for Miss Natasha Osauru of Edo State. I'm calling on all mothers in Nigeria to help me beg her to release or to free my son. My son is going through a divorce process and he's clearly not in his right senses. I know my son. This is not him. Please, Natasha, the bead you put on his hand and on his neck, remove them and free him. Good evening.
About time the eka say you, say one man chain binom ni ade. Hey, Yehowa, we no kura ntem say na ni afiri obi aso. Do onim na ne Natasha. Hey Natasha wuji wudin. To de na maame na aba ba sere we. Say ye chain no, say ye de hi oyifirim. E never say mo ani na ho. Obi ama bibia e careful. Hey, maame so abeto bibia to mo. E wo bi say Nigeria na esie no wo sere ama ne ba ne de, but e betimi happen. Obu anu atame wa cha wa ye won say won fi no. Or the vase no we but when na eno ayi e beto da say wa hwe mi ntan hwe be no akakra bi a me hwe anti efie chechire mi mu no na say otimu say obi na cookie mesese edu ne ba o say ehun owie no obi do obi so mi wanya sa na ti o but ti careful enne odo obe wie na ade be che na do obi dem ti mu ani na ho make sure say dan na odem na e wa wo dan tokwa bi a mechiri ti we de two face mama na esiri Natasha, release her son. Eda simidi afia amankwa tamaklo Ahosepe na hana bema kwan na ye de sie kwasi aye krado de asemidika etwaso tweno.